Longtime tech observers never thought that they would see the day, but it's finally arrived. Google Health will now sync your data with Apple Health. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Sources noticed that the What's New notes in an update to the Google Health iOS app will now be able to sync to Apple Health. Share your data like your exercise records, sleep, vitals, steps, and more from Google Health to Apple Health. This update adds the two-way syncing that users have been wanting since forever. Apple Health data has been able to sync to Google Health for some time, but Google's Fitbit and other wearable devices did not have native sync to Apple Health, which meant finding third-party apps to keep all of your info tracked. So those who use iPhones and Fitbit devices don't have to hunt around for other apps to track our health stats. The Google Health app collects data from connected wearables on fitness, sleep, and wellness, so you can track patterns in workouts, nutrition, and menstrual cycles. After downloading the update to the Google Health app, you can directly link your data to Apple Health under partner apps. Some Reddit posters noted that HRV or heart rate variability info doesn't sync with the update, possibly because they use different methods to calculate HRV or the measure of the variation in time between heartbeats. The latest Google Health app update also adds the ability to create smart health links that allow you to share medical records with others like providers or family members. This is truly a welcome addition whoever wants to keep all of their health-related data in one app. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.